What is up, guys? Norse Digital Assets coming at you with another video. We got to talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is making some nice movements right now as we speak. I just posted 2 hours ago. I said if Bitcoin stays and closes where it is, $62,900, the probability of it going on a massive run is high. And this tweet has seemed to age pretty well from 2 hours ago. Let's take a look here at CoinMarketCap. Let's refresh just to be sure here. So Bitcoin currently 65,000 just flashed. $65,566 on a massive run. So from 2 hours ago, 62.9 up to 65.5, almost $3,000 in 2 hours, guys, right after tweeting this. Looking good on a nice run here. That is what we want to see. That affects the entire cryptocurrency market. Now here's where it gets real crazy here. Let me push this out and push this out. So where it gets real crazy is if we actually call this a bull flag here that we were breaking out of, and you can see where we're at right now. That candle body right now, broken out of this. Then we call this whole damn thing a flagpole, okay? And this is where it gets crazy. When you put that flagpole, and this is where we just came out of the flag, where's that thing going? Well, 86,000. $86,000 technical target, guys. That's wild. So Plan B this month, he has it going, he has it 98K, and he has 135K for Bitcoin in December. This is huge news for any coins that you have. Why? Because when Bitcoin sells, we're at 65.4, you can see it right here. When Bitcoin sells off later, when there's profit taking, there's going to be an alt season. When millions and millions of dollars flow out of Bitcoin, when people are taking profits, hundreds of millions of dollars coming out of Bitcoin, where do you think that money goes? Where do you think that money goes next? That money is going to flow into the altcoins, and that's where alt season comes from. And I mean, obviously that's a big piece to it. So yeah, guys, it's getting real interesting real fast with Bitcoin here. If we get this thing really heating up in November and really running, we're all but guaranteeing a bull run. I mean, there's no guarantees in life, but that's what we've been waiting for, is for November, for it to really pop and pop towards 98K. Get away from that all-time high, those prices from earlier this year that were when it hit 64.4 back in April. So that's what we're looking to do right now. And let's see what kind of resistance do we have right now. So here we are. I mean, there's basically none, guys, and that's the VPVR there. We are right here. See this green dotted line? That's where we are. And what's the resistance? The resistance is that. That's the resistance. That's nothing. This here. That is nothing. I mean, where's the resistance? There's not much of any. We're going to go back into we have a chance of going all-time high, which right now looks to be about 67. We have the chance to pass the all-time high and go back into price discovery mode. Let's wait and see what happens. Things are really getting interesting. That is for sure. So Curve's been heating up. Also, let's go look at Curve. I've talked about Curve. Credible Crypto's been posting about it. I've had videos about it. It looks like it found support on the 20 EMA here very nicely. The 20 EMA is $4.08 right now. $4.41 right now. If it comes anywhere near 408 again and you're interested in getting into Curve, that would be a price of entry point, not financial advice. If it just comes down a little bit, if it comes down to like 420, 415, if you don't want to get that greedy, because I don't even know if it's going to come to there. But these are all entry points because, you know, Credible Crypto has it going to $20. There's a lot of weird fundamentals, or interesting fundamentals, shall I say, about Curve connected to CVX, so CVX and CRV. And a lot of the supply is locked up, guys. Plus, we're looking at a bull run. So $20 really shouldn't be that complicated. So we'll see what happens with that. Curve is looking, it's had a nice green candle. It's looking good. CKB is probably printing that bull flag sideways. We'll take a look at that real quick. A lot of people like CKB. So yeah, it looks like it's just starting to kind of print that maybe that falling wedge bull flag, which is fine, and you'll bounce around in there, and then you'll have that next technical target around 3.9 cents, 3.8 cents. We'll see. It could be 3.8 if the flag isn't out to the side and it goes down. We'll see what happens with that. That's looking good. Ethereum seems to be doing a little bit right now too. ETH USD, what's it doing? Well, Ethereum is, I believe it looks like Ethereum is at an all-time high right now. It is creating an all-time high as we speak at $4,700, and it's still going up the stairs. Like we've said, the bulls are going up the stairs, guys. That's what we've wanted. That's what we've always wanted. That's what we've been waiting for months and months and months. It's been a long ride. It's been a long summer. We don't want to get overly hyped, but right now, everything looks good. The market looks good. Things are warming up. The thing is right now is, yes, we can crack back down some tomorrow. But the thing is that the water in the pot is starting to bubble. There's bubbles. We're not simmering, but bubbles are starting to form in that pot of water. So that's where we're at. We're trying to create some more stairs for Ethereum and just keep heading up. I mean, that's what we want with Ethereum. I did a really good Ethereum video the other day. If you're interested in Ethereum, go watch that one. And it looks like, let's take a look at XRP here. XRP, my largest holding for a reason. I believe that XRP, when XRP runs, it's really going to run. It's going to really shock people. I mean, a lot of people already know it's going to run, but there's be some people that are just blown away. So yeah, XRP finding some strength right now. Definitely, I believe XRP was in sort of a triangle pattern on the weekly for a while. Let's see here. So XRP has been creating higher lows and lower highs, and that's sort of where that pattern can start to come from when you're coming through like that. As in my point is that as you're coming through, here's your lows, here's your higher lows, here's your highs, here's your lower highs. So you end up pinched into these shapes, and I've covered that on the VeChain videos. On the daily, let's go back to the daily. Let's see what the VPVR says about XRP. So XRP is going to have some resistance at $1.28. Looks like it's right here, right there. $1.29, $1.28, $1.29. It's going to battle that, but it needs to just pop through it, find a support, and carry on. And XRP could possibly be running to $4 or $5 late December rather easily. So we'll see what happens with that. And then that would just be the start of XRP. XRP, I've done videos on that. That should easily go to 10 to 13. That is my targets. That's many other people's targets. I spelled it out on my videos differently than other people, but it could even go higher than that if the lawsuit is over. The SEC lawsuit is settled, or they just fine them. They don't call XRP a security. They just fine them. Ripple pays the fine. XRP gets relisted. Look out. 10 to 13 might not even be nothing for XRP. That just might be the start for XRP. So we'll see what happens with XRP. I've always been bullish on XRP. So what else do we want to look at here? I don't know if there's a whole lot else to look at right now. I've talked about my trading bags. These are the exchanges by exchange score. This is on CoinMarketCap.com. Binance is rated as a 9.9 as an exchange. I don't use Binance because I'm in the United States. Coinbase is second for some reason. I don't think so because they don't have that many coins. They only have 119 coins and they have more fees, but it's good. It's user friendly, I guess. I've been using KuCoin for my some of my trading bags, and Gate, which is listed as 7th. KuCoin here. KuCoin has 503 coins, and Gate, ranked number 7th exchange by exchange score, has 1,034 coins. So this is KuCoin and Gate is where I've been kind of trading my coins. You can move them into Tether, purchase coins back and forth without ever going into the US dollar. So that's pretty cool. I've talked about some of my trading bags. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. Let's go back to Bitcoin and see if it moved just for fun. Bitcoin, Bitstamp. 65.3, it did move. It moved down a little bit, but that is fine. We are trying to find support outside this falling wedge. Find that support, and get heading towards that technical target, $86,000, according to this mark here. And that's going to be some major fireworks. Will we go up to 86,000, hit it, come back down, kind of sit sideways, and then go back and tackle it before the end of November and get to that 98K like Plan B says? I don't know. Maybe this is the blueprint. Maybe I just drew out the blueprint. I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see, guys. That's going to be it for this video. I just wanted to get this one out because we're getting some movement in the market, which is good. If anything else we could look at here, let's refresh once more. So Bitcoin 65.2, Ethereum making an all-time high, Solana and Binance not doing a whole lot right now. Cardano at 205, showing signs of life, which is good. I have very large bags of Cardano. Cardano will probably pop when we least expect it. It'll run back to $3. It'll go over $3, 206. It'll go over $3, and then it'll start heading towards 350. We'll see. XRP showing strength at $1.26. Polkadot, I have some Polkadot, so hopefully that stays moving. Shiba needs to come back down. It had to find support at 0.00049, and that was its support level that I had called like a week or two ago, and maybe it has to go back to that 4.9 or that 5.0 level to find even more support. It's down a little bit, but once these other coins start popping off, who knows? Maybe people will take some profits out of Shiba and rotate these other coins. Who knows what they're going to do? I'll have to wait and see. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. Hope you're having a good Sunday night. Like, subscribe, click my logo down here in the bottom right-hand corner. Click subscribe, like below the algorithm. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll respond in the comment section below. So that's it for this one, guys, and we will catch you in the next one tomorrow. See ya.